A common problem we can have if we're doing work with our vices is the vice racking around. By that I mean if we're putting a piece of timber in to do some handwork, dovetailing or cutting a tenon, when we tighten him up, the vice collapses, narrower the one end, and it means now your timber will rattle in the vice. The way of getting over this is using something like a vice rack stop. So this AUK one we have, I can set him up to the size of my timber. We can go anything between 2.5 millimeters up to 76 millimeters. But if I get this set up in the vise, pop him down into there, same kind of thickness material I've got, pop my material in, and now that will hang in the one end of the vise, and we can really have some secure work going on with this one for our sawing or our chiseling work. For more information on our AUK Vice Rack Stop or any other of our kit, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk or check us out on social media.